Shall we get ready for the practice of Surya Namaskar now? So please come to the beginning of your mat. Keep your feet together. Drop your hands by the side of the body. Keep your head, neck, back in a straight line. Gently close your eyes. Keeping your eyes closed, observe your whole physical body. Now we will get into the first posture of Surya Namaskar. Along with the next outgoing breath, come into position number 1, Pranamasana. Along with the incoming breath, come into position number 2, Hasta Utthanasana. You raise your hands up and gently arch backward a little bit. Push your hip forward, chest back. Position number 3, Padahastasana. Push your hip backward, tuck your chin forward, bend forward, bring your hands down towards the floor, drop your head down. Now, along with the next incoming breath, you may bend your knees, keep your hands by the side of the legs on the floor, lift your right leg and keep your right leg as far behind as you can. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Hold your breath inside and come into Parvatasana. Bring the left foot backward, keep both the legs together, lift your hip up, drop your head down, look at your feet. Now come into Ashtanga Namaskara, bring the knees down, bring the chest down in between the palms and bring the chin down. Now sliding forward, raise up. Very nice. Along with the next outgoing breath, lift your hip up, come once again into Parvatasana. Now since you started with the right leg behind, bring the left leg forward. Keep the left leg in between the palms. Lift your head up and look into your eyebrow center. This is the most important position in this practice. Now along with the next outgoing breath, bring the right leg forward. Come into Padahastasana position. Very nice. Drop your head down. Along with the next incoming breath, gently arch backward. Hasta Utthanasana. Very nice. Along with the next outgoing breath, come into position number 1, Pranamasana. Drop the hands down. Close your eyes. Relax for a moment. Observe how you feel in your body. Observe how you feel in your neck. Observe how you feel in your shoulders, back, chest, abdomen, hip, thighs, knees, calf muscles, feet. Now get ready for the second half of the first round of Surya Namaskar. Along with the next outgoing breath, come into position number 1, Pranamasana. Along with the incoming breath, Hasta Utthanasana, push your hip forward, arch backward. Along with the next outgoing breath, come into position number 3, Padahastasana. Drop your hands by the side of the legs, drop your head down. If possible, you can touch the floor without bending the knees. Now along with the next incoming breath, you're going to move into Ashwa Sanchalanasana. For this, you'll keep your left leg behind. Lift your head up, look into your eyebrow center. Now hold your breath and take your right leg back. Keep the right foot along with the left foot. Lift your hip up. Drop your head down. Look at the feet. Push your hip up and away from the shoulder in this pose. Now along with the next outgoing breath, bring the knees down. Bring the chest down. In between the palms, chin down. Now sliding forward, should not slide backward, sliding forward, raise your body up like a cobra which is lifting its hood. Very nice. Along with the next outgoing breath, come into Parvatasana. Mountain posture. Drop your head down, lift your hip, push your buttock away from the shoulder, look at the feet. Now, since you started this round with the left leg, bring your right foot forward, lift your head up, look into your eyebrow center, Bhru Madhya. This is called Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Along with the next outgoing breath, come into position Padhastasana, position number 10. Very nice. Along with the next incoming breath, slowly arch backward, come into the pose of Hasta Utthanasana. Final posture, along with outgoing breath, come into Pranamasana. Drop your hands down, close your eyes, observe the changes in your body. Observe how you're breathing, observe how your heartbeat is. After observing all the changes, you may gently open your eyes. Just correct your mat so that you can do the next 2 rounds on your own. Once again, come to the beginning of the mat. You will be doing 2 more rounds on your own now. Shall you? We can do it? Fantastic. So you can go ahead, do 2 more rounds, which is right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Okay? You can start now from Pranamasana. So Surya Namaskar is a very important practice for a young body from the age of 7 up to the age of 80. Anyone can practice Surya Namaskara. When you practice Surya Namaskara at the age of 7, the practice ensures that you will gain little more height. You will have at least 1 or 2 inches more height than what you will normally grow. You want to grow taller? Huh? Yes? Super. That is one fantastic benefit. The next thing is your shoulders, your arms, your thighs, your hip, all of them will become strong. You won't be a weak person. You remember the words of Swamiji? He said, I want 100 young, healthy youth. Right? So you will be like that if you do the practice of Surya Namaskara every day. Surya Namaskara is by itself a complete practice. It has all the components that are necessary for making you a fit and healthy person. It makes you flexible. It makes you strong. It develops endurance in your body and your energy levels. And apart from that, it also makes you agile. All these 4 benefits are there. Therefore, you will become a completely fit person. Not only that, Surya Namaskara is such an ingenious yogic practice that it will awaken both the hemispheres of your brain. You will be able to do math also very well. You will be able to do social also very well. You will be able to do art also very well. You will be able to write a poem also. You will be a very good sportsman also. You can do fantastic creative work also. Just by doing around 5 or 7 rounds of Surya Namaskar every day, you can benefit greatly from this wonderful yogic practice. So now that you have completed 2 more rounds, you can drop your hands down, close your eyes, and observe how you feel. Your heartbeat is faster than before. Your breathing is deeper than before. You feel the whole body has changed. Now gently open your eyes. Don't you feel your whole body has changed? Fantastic. Now correct your mat once again. And lie down. Put your head this side, leg that side, and lie down. Lie down on your back. Now you are going to do a short practice of Shavasana. Keep your legs slightly apart. Allow your legs to flop a little bit sideways. Keep your hands slightly away from the body. Palms of the hands facing upward, facing the ceiling. Your head, your neck and back should be in one straight line. Now gently close your eyes. Keeping your eyes closed, become aware of the whole body. Become aware of the whole physical body from the top of the head to the tip of the toes. The whole body should be on the floor as if it is a log of wood. It should be on the floor as if it is a thick rubber carpet sheet. Feel the whole physical body lying on the floor and stop all the physical movements in the body. Do not open your eyes. Do not move your legs or hands. Do not change or adjust the position. Feel the stillness of the whole body. Feel the stillness of the whole body. The whole body is totally still, totally relaxed. Now, leave the awareness of body and become aware of breathing. Become aware of your breathing and you will realize that as breath comes in, your abdomen bulges up like a balloon. And as breath goes out, your abdomen falls down. Become aware of each and every breath that comes in and goes out. Follow 5 breaths from now. You feel so deeply relaxed. You feel completely rested. Now, without opening your eyes, stop observing your breath and slowly bring your legs together. Without opening your eyes, bring your hands close to the body. Keeping eyes closed, raise the hands above the head. Give yourself a gentle stretch like you are doing a Tadasana. Stretch nicely. Slowly roll over to your right side. Keep eyes closed. And slowly come to sitting position with eyes closed. Keep hands in Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Observe how you feel now. Observe the changes you experience in the body now. Your body feels full of energy. Your body feels totally relaxed. Your body feels completely strong. Rub your palms against each other. Keep eyes closed. Place the palms on your eyes. Feel the heat pass from the palms into the eyes. Slowly drop your hands down and open your eyes. Give a good smile now. You feel happy? Fantastic.